Hi guys, today's look is this super simple glam up makeup for beginners and for those of you who doesn't want to wear a ton of makeup but still want to look good for those special occasions. Let's get started. I've already done my base here, hence I'm starting off with the eyes and I'm using a flesh toned eyeshadow base all across the lids to give a nice flawless base to my eyeshadows. Then I'm taking this dark brown shade from the Huda Beauty palette as my transition shade and sweeping it all across the lids as well. Once I'm done with that, I'm taking a little bit of my concealer and putting it on the top center of the lids so that the shimmery eyeshadows that I'm going to put later sticks on better and pops the color more. Now taking a taupey color shimmery eyeshadow from the same palette, I am dabbing it on the center part of the lid where I have applied the concealer. And taking a smaller blending brush, I'm just softening the edges so that the shimmery eyeshadow blends in perfectly with the transition brown shade. Using a super shiny gold color now, I'm just dabbing it again on the center of the lids for that extra shine and extra reflection. Since it's a wedding season, I just wanted to put a little bit of more. Now using my Maybelline gel eyeliner, I am now lining my lids. I'm keeping it very simple since most of you find it easier to put a simple eyeliner than a winged eyeliner. Hence I'm doing that. After that, I am lining my waterline with a simple black kajal and topping it up with 2-3 coats of mascara. Using a shimmery shade, I am highlighting the brow bone area. For lips, I went ahead with a dark plummy shade from L'Oreal. Quickly contouring the nose with the Wet n Wild contour palette, and here I am with the complete look. Super simple and super easy glam makeup for any party or wedding function. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.